Okay, let's continue. Number 3. Based on a secondary source about water supply in Cebu, explain how overpopulation strains access to clean water. Given secondary source highlights Cebu's water scarcity. Required explain how overpopulation strains water access. Solution: overpopulation increases domestic, industrial, and agricultural water demand, depleting aquifers. Final answer: more people means higher consumption and water shortages. Number 4. A global research article states that overpopulation worsens climate change. Identify and explain two mechanisms by which this occurs. Given article says overpopulation worsens climate change. Required and identify two mechanisms. Solution: the first one, more fossil fuel consumption means more carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere. Number 2, land conversion or deforestation means fewer carbon sinks. Final answer: overpopulation increases emission and reduces carbon absorption. Number 5. Evaluate a case study from India showing overcrowded cities. Compare this to a Philippine city with similar challenges. Given case study on India's overcrowding. So required compare to a Philippine city. Solution: both India, the Delhi, and the Philippines Metro Manila face pollution, slums, traffic, and housing shortages. Final answer: overpopulation creates similar urban congestion, poverty, and pollution. Number 6. From a United Nations report, extract data on global overpopulation and discuss its relationship to deforestation. Given United Nations data links rising population to forest loss. Required discuss relationship. So solution: population growth drives agricultural expansion, illegal logging, and urban sprawl. Final answer: overpopulation accelerates deforestation globally and locally. Number 7. Analyze an article about pollution levels in Manila Bay. How does overpopulation contribute to worsening water quality? Given article notes high pollution in Manila Bay. Required. How does overpopulation worsen water quality? Solution. Overpopulation means more sewage, plastics, industrial waste discharged untreated. Final answer, human density means higher waste dumping and leads to poor water quality. Number 8. Using a World Health Organization fact sheet, evaluate how overpopulation contributes to the spread of communicable diseases in urban areas. So given World Health Organization data connects dense urban areas with disease. Required. Evaluate impact. So solution. Overcrowding means poor sanitation, rapid spread, TB, dengue, COVID-19. Final answer, overpopulation heightens vulnerability to epidemics. Number 9. From a local newspaper article on informal settlers, explain how overpopulation leads to the growth of urban poor communities. Given local newspaper reports on rising squatter communities. Required. Explain connection to overpopulation. Solution. Limited affordable housing and urban migration means informal settlements. So the final answer, overpopulation drives slum growth in cities. Number 10. Study shows that overpopulation contributes to waste management problems in Metro Manila. Provide at least 2 key points from this source. So given, study shows waste problems due to population. Required, provide 2 key points. So solution, the first point, too much daily garbage overwhelms facilities. And the second one, open dump sites harm health. Final answer, waste volume and inadequate disposal stem from overpopulation. Number 11. Analyze how overpopulation contributes to the housing crisis both in the Philippines and in other developing countries. Given reports on housing shortages. Required, analyze link with overpopulation. Solution, too many families and limited land or resources means overcrowded homes. Final answer, overpopulation worsens housing crisis and abroad. Number 12. From a global perspective, evaluate how overpopulation is linked to food insecurity. citing a secondary source example from Africa. Given data from Africa shows hunger crisis required. Evaluate connection to overpopulation. Solution: high growth outpaces food supply, worsening famine. Final answer: overpopulation directly fuels food insecurity globally. Number 13. Using a climate report, explain how overpopulation in coastal areas increases vulnerability to natural disasters in the Philippines, given climate report on coastal risks required. Explain impact. Solution: dense coastal settlements means high disaster exposure, like storm surges and then floods. Final answer: overpopulation increases disaster vulnerability in coastal zones. Number 14. A secondary source states that overpopulation leads to loss of biodiversity. Give an example of this trend in the Philippines. So given secondary source links population to ecosystem loss required. Give example. Solution: deforestation in Sierra Madre, coral reef destruction due to fishing pressure. Final answer: overpopulation reduces Philippine biodiversity. Number 15. From a population study in Japan, which has a declining population, compare the challenges it faces versus those of the Philippines with its rapid growth. Given Japan has a declining population, Philippines has rising population, so required. Compare challenges. Solution: Japan has an aging labor shortage. Philippines has overcrowding and high unemployment. Final answer: opposite demographic issues, but both economically challenging. Number 16. Analyze a global health report. How does overpopulation worsen the strain on healthcare systems in developing countries? Given global health report required. Analyze the effect. Solution: more patients means limited hospitals, and of course, there are medicine shortages, and the staff are overworked. Final answer: overpopulation strains healthcare capacity. We will have the next part of our quarter 3 biology lesson 12.